you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in GTA 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be causing the game to hang during loading. Step 1. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause the loading screen to freeze. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your platform, Steam, Epic Games, or console and install them. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve loading issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help fix loading problems. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can interfere with GTA 5's performance. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. High settings can sometimes cause performance issues, especially if your hardware is not capable of handling them. Reducing the settings may help the game load properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from online forums or support communities.